coaching thought for the day. So I absolutely love when people to know that they're watching and that they request information. So I've gotten several requests lately about book suggestions. I am all the time reading, all the time learning new things, and so I am thrilled to get to pass things on. I'm going to start a new series, and today I'm going to begin with the very first coaching book I ever read, The Art of Coaching by Elena Aguilar. So with this one, I started this even before I was an instructional coach, when I was still in the classroom and I was beginning to mentor teachers and do things as a teacher leader. So there were a lot of elements to this that I will say, initially I thought, she makes coaching sound so touchy-feely and just emotional, and let's just get to the business of doing coaching work and tasks and things. And I'll tell you, now having been a coach for 6 years, it is all touchy-feely stuff. It really is. Not all of it, I shouldn't say, but so much of it is. So I'm going to take you through this book quickly to show you the things that I really love most about it. As with all books, let's start with the table of contents. So she has three main sections of the book. Part one is just foundations of coaching. The next part is establishing coaching with a client. So this is really like the how do you get started, that I was very curious about when I first began the work. And then the third section is what she calls the coaching dance. And so this is all about listening and questioning, how to be a facilitative coach, different conversations that you can have and activities that you can have. As you can see, not at the back, I guess, but throughout this book, I have it all marked up all over the place. It has been very well loved and well used. And just looking at this, I think I need to go back and revisit. The thing that I want to show you, though, that I really did enjoy was this. I specifically remember the tools that she gave in the appendices. So she talks about lenses and things. So here are some notes about that and some questions. I also remember specifically liking these coaching sentence stems. So different active listening stems that you can use, as well as a rubric. Now, this was something that to me was a lot, and I've never gone through and done this rubric the entire thing. The last thing I will add is that she is all about being reflective as a coach. So not only reflecting on how conversations went with, she calls it the client that you're working with, the coach that you're coaching, but also how you are feeling in things, what you notice about yourself, because there's so much that can come out of coaching conversations.